Hi, I'm Lena Walsh. I'm the executive chef for Cadillac Area Public Schools.
Hi, and my name's Miss Tammy. I'm the resident dietitian for the CAPS district. And today, our chef Lena is going to be making a hearty lasagna for a wonderful time.
So to start off, I have all my ingredients prepared in front of me. One of the things that we've done ahead of time is you'll see this is the mixture of the ground beef, the black pepper, parsley, the canned tomatoes, tomato paste, water, and Italian seasonings. We've sauteed this all up in a pot and brought that together so that we can now assemble our lasagna. So to start, we're going to lightly spray our pan. And one of the things to help your noodles not stick or burn is you're going to take just a little bit of the mixture of the pasta sauce and you're going to spread it towards the bottom of the pan. This really will help prevent your noodles from burning. You'll take your cooked noodles and you're going to start layering those on the bottom, and you'll cover your pan just like this. Now we're going to take a half of the sauce mix, and you're going to spread that around.
I'm really excited to try this, Lena.
It's actually really good, and it has a cheese in it that you wouldn't think to put in a lasagna, but it actually tastes pretty good. So spread that around as even as you can get it. And then you're going to take your shredded mozzarella, about a cup of this, and you're going to spread that. And then here's the surprise cheese, which is the American cheese, which is not traditionally in a lasagna, but for some reason it works in this. It gives it a nice creamy flavor. So you're going to put 6 slices of that on there. And then you're going to start over with another layer of noodles. And you will keep repeating the process until your pan is full. Now, depending on pan size and stuff, it will vary. But you can end up with 3, 4, 5, 6 layers sometimes. And, if you only get 3 or 4, that's completely fine. Every pan is different. Every oven is different. So here I am just starting the process over with the sauce mixture. And next, the cheese. So mozzarella. And then the 6 slices of American. And now I am pretty much at my top layer of my lasagna. So I'm going to top that with my cooked noodles. And I'll put my remaining sauce on the very top of it to cover it for baking. And then the remaining mozzarella cheese that I have will go on the top. Now you're going to tightly cover this with some aluminum foil. And that's what it should look like when you get to the top of it. You can also sprinkle like some parsley, or you could put some Parmesan cheese on there as well. You'll put this in the oven and you'll bake it at 350 degrees for about 1.5 hours. And then you need to have the internal temperature reach at least 165 degrees for 15 seconds. If you like to have a little bit of a brown top, about 10 minutes before the baking is done, you can take your aluminum foil off and put it back in the oven for the last 10 minutes or so, and it'll brown the top right.
Great. Looks delicious. Thanks, Lena. The feature ingredient for our famous lasagna is tomatoes. Tomatoes are heart healthy. They contain potassium and vitamin B, which may decrease blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Tomatoes are a superfood, and they help prevent various types of cancer. Lycopene, which is an antioxidant and natural chemical found in tomatoes, may lower the risk of developing certain cancers like colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, and stomach cancer. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants and decrease cell damage. Lycopenes and beta-carotene may help protect against sun damage and lower sensitive to UV rays. Also, bone health. It contains vitamin K, calcium, and lycopene may help strengthen and repair bones and improve bone mass. It helps reduce weight loss and maintain healthy weight. It's low in calories and high in dietary fiber, which can help you feel fuller longer. Tomatoes are a superfood.